Hi everyone! Welcome to RCB College Career Service. Today, I'll show you how to create your own LinkedIn account, step by step. Having a LinkedIn profile is an important part of your career journey. It helps you connect with employers, classmates, and professionals in your field. First, open your browser and go to linkedin.com. Once you are on the page, you'll see a button that says Join Now. Please click Join Now button. You can either enter your email address and create a password or simply sign up using your Google account. Click Continue with Google. Choose your Gmail account that you want to use. Confirm that you want to sign in to LinkedIn. LinkedIn will get your information from your Gmail account and fill in your name automatically. Then click Agree and Join to move on. Complete the security check by completing the puzzle provided. After the verification, LinkedIn will ask you for your location. Enter the city, province, and country, and select Next. If you are a student, choose I am a student. Enter your college information, your program, start date and end date. If you are looking for a job, select Yes. I'm actively looking for a new job, and select Next. Then enter the kind of jobs you're looking for related to your program. You can enter up to 5 titles and locations. Enter the job titles you want, and enter the location. You can also select the I'm open to remote work option if you want work from home jobs. Click Next to continue. Keep the notifications on so that you can get notified when new jobs are posted. Click Next to continue. Click Next again. Scan the QR code if you want to download and install the app on your phone. Click Next to continue. From here, you can add the people you want to connect with and keep in touch. You can skip this for now or add. Once you are done, click Next. After completing these steps, you will be directed to your new LinkedIn profile. Click on your name or picture to open up your personal profile and add, edit, or remove any information. Click on the Edit button. You can add, remove, or change your name from this section. Fill in all of the details to make your profile stand out. You can also update your profile picture by clicking on your photo icon, from where you can select the visibility settings of your photos. Click Upload Photo to upload a new profile picture from your device. Congratulations! You've just created your LinkedIn account. Don't forget to follow RCB College for news, events, and job updates. Thank you for watching, and good luck building your professional network.